Hello everyone, how are you doing? I just charged my Bluetti and I'm gonna do a test on my Bluetti with this Hot Logic and a Lean Cuisine. Anyway, here we go. What's up? Sorry. So this is completely frozen. So the power surge is at 34, or that's the watts that it's using. It's 10:07. Hello everyone. I'm checking back in on my little Lean Cuisine. We're going to see how it's doing here. The time is, so it's 12:35. Let's check this. So I think it's been in here for about 2 hours. Careful steam. Wow. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So I think that's 2 hours. It was 10 o'clock that I put this in here. And yeah. Wow. So I stuck this in. I think it was 10 o'clock. I'm gonna have to go back and look at my notes. And anyhow, it cooked this in 2 hours. 2 hours, and it's we're at 80%. All right, that concludes my test of the Bluetti. This was done with an AC adapter. Anyhow, thank you for watching, and in a month I'm going on an extended road trip to Texas, so I'll be filming myself on that one.